Why Mr. Jumbo Doesn't Trust a Jackal. Once upon a time, Mr. Jumbo was one of the many giant elephants who lived in the animal kingdom. Although he did not do any harm to anybody, he soon became the object of envy of all the jackals living in the kingdom. One day, an old jackal smacked his lips and said, "If Mr. Jumbo dies, we can feast on his body for many months." The old jackal was more cunning than the others in their community. Once he made a quick calculation and told the others that Mr. Jumbo would live for another 30 years. Therefore, he said, it was useless to make plans to feast on his dead body. Other jackals waited eagerly to hear what the old jackal had in his mind. "Don't worry, I have a bright idea. Please don't ask me right now what it is. Let me handle Mr. Jumbo in a fitting way," said the old jackal. The old jackal went home and made up his mind to meet Mr. Jumbo on the following day. "Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure to see you early in the morning," greeted the old jackal. Mr. Jumbo looked at the old jackal in disgust and asked, "What do you want?" Sir, mumbled the old jackal. "Out with it soon, otherwise I'll crush you like an egg," thundered Mr. Jumbo. "Sir, we jackals have decided to vote for you when they elect a king for our kingdom," said the old jackal. "So what do you want me to do?" asked Mr. Jumbo. "Please come with me, sir. I will show you how to become the king," said the old jackal with his tail tucked between his legs. "That's a good idea. I can easily defeat the lion. Lead the way, and I'll come with you," said Mr. Jumbo. The old jackal ran ahead of Mr. Jumbo. The latter, too, ran and ran until he fell into a deep pit. "Take me out at once!" shouted Mr. Jumbo. "How can you become the king if you can't even come out of a small difficulty like this?" asked the old jackal. After a great struggle that lasted for several days, Mr. Jumbo came out of the pit. But he never trusted a jackal thereafter. Moral: beware of false flattery. Sweet words often hide selfish motives. Trust actions, not empty promises. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.